Good morning. It's just Kennedy and I right now. Grayson is actually still sleeping. He's approaching 12 hours. Yes, honey. All right, I think I'm actually going to grate some zucchini into her pancakes. Zucchini shreds going in. Kennedy has been really preferring to have her drinks in a open cup with a big girl straw. So we've just been spilling everywhere, but it's all part of it, right? It was kind of falling apart when I was cutting it into strips, but you think she's gonna notice? And some strawberries for the berry queen. I see we added some puffs to the milk. It's like a little cereal, okay. Uh-oh. We're making eye contact. We're eating the zucchini pancakes. Very nice. My sourdough is ready, so I need to figure out what I'm making. Yes, honey. I would just make a typical loaf the way I have been, but my sister, she's been making butter bread, like sandwich bread. I don't have a loaf pan, or at least I don't think I do. I need to order a loaf pan because I really want to make sandwich bread. That way I can make Kennedy like peanut butter and jelly on it. So I guess we're just making a regular loaf today. Maybe we'll make pizza dough. You want pizza?
Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
What?
You want water?
What?
Water. Cheers! 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 Let's go water. The milkman didn't get up yet, so I think I'm gonna go get him so that his ball heating. I'm a good wife, so I made Carl a nice coffee. I'll bring it up to the office. I think he's awake. Good morning, gorgeous! And the most handsome man in the world. Oh, yes. Oh. Kennedy wore these PJs. These were hers. These are size 6 to 12. They're a little bit big on him, but oh my goodness. Hi, handsome. You slept for 12 hours last night. You did. Yeah. Now you and your sister both sleep for 12 hours or more. Yeah. An independent man. That was hers at one point. She had no interest in it when she could, stand and walk on her own. But now that it's Grayson's. Whoa, yeah. What do you got there?
What?
Water, yeah. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Friday. Bye.